Fáilte roimh arás. Welcome back. Follow me, Miss Gaeilge. Let's learn Irish. Levéal A1 topic a hain. Rannóg Beannachtaí nó Freagraí with a focus on bheith éisteacht. So section 6, greetings and responses with a focus on listening. Le múna ag búla le duine agus ag curtú féin in aithne, teaching how to meet someone and introduce yourself. For this next activity, you'll need your handout, Beannachtaí 06 Beannachtaí nó Freagraí. Beannachtaí nó Freagraí, greetings or responses. Lé na Beannachtaí Freagraí Theas amach ó sword. Read the greetings or responses below out loud. Éist leis an manacht ar an bhír, cloisig tú gach ceann 3 uair. Listen to the greetings on the sound clip. You'll hear each one 3 times. Matseáil na Beannachtaí Freagraí agus ceiste na Gaeilge ar chlé leis an beannacht Freagraí cuí ar dheis. Match the greeting or response and questions in Irish on the left with the correct greeting or response on the right.
Beannachtaí agus Freagraí.
Díreacht. Díreacht. Díreacht.
Cainneam a thabhairt. Cainneam a thabhairt. Cainneam a thabhairt.
Céitasa. 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 Is mise le rain. Is mise le rain. Is mise le rain.
Díos muragaid. Díos muragaid. Díos muragaid. Go dé mar táid tú. Go dé mar táid tú. Go dé mar táid tú. Beannachtaí agus Freagraí.
Díreacht. Díreacht. Díreacht.
Cainneam a thabhairt. Cainneam a thabhairt. Cainneam a thabhairt.
Céitasa. 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 Is mise le rain. Is mise le rain.
Script Freagraí. And now we have the script with the answers. Díreacht. Díos muragaid. Ceannaim atá ort. Séamus. Céitasa. Is mise bríd. Is mise le rain. Go deas Bualadh. Díos muragaid. Díos muragaid is pádraig. Go dé mar atá tú. Go measartha. Córá a hain dul siar. Conversation 1, review. So we're going to go over the conversation that we had previously. As I put up the statements, see if you can come up with what's going to come next in the conversation. It's the exact same one as we have done before. We're just going to review it. Díreacht. Díos muragaid. Céitasa. Mise Donal. Céitasa. Mise Sheila. Conas atá tú a hónó. Go maith, agus tú féin a híle. Go brá gur raibh maith agat. Tá si go deas Bualadh. Agus leatsa. Córá dó, dul siar. Conversation 2, review. We'll do the same thing as we did on the previous slide. See if you can preempt what's coming up in the conversation. And don't worry if you can't remember the names, just put in any name. Thabhairt. Thabhairt. Cad is anam dit. Sally is anam dum. Cead. Misha Diarmid. Conas atá tú a Hallie. Tá mé go brá gur maith agat agus tusa a dhiarmid. Táim ceart go leor. Tá si go deas Bualadh a Hallie. Agus leatsa. For this next activity, you'll need your billóg, your handout, má Beannachtaí agus Freagraí féin. Má Beannachtaí agus Freagraí féin. My own greetings and responses. Léana Beannachtaí Freagraí seo leanas amach ó sord. Read the following greetings and responses out loud. An sin, scríobh an bheannacht nó an cheist ceart an líne dheis. Then, write the greeting or the correct question on the line on the right. Anois na Freagraí, and now the answers. Iver a hain, cé tusa. Iver a dó, Thabhairt. Iver a trí, conas atá tú. Iver a ceathair, deas Bualadh. Iver a cúig, cad is anam dit. Iver a sé, conas atá tú. Iver a seacht, deas Bualadh. Iver a hocht, an bhfuil tú go maith. Check your answers and check your spelling. Beannachtaí nó Freagraí, le múna, ag bula le duine agus a chuir tú féin in aithne. So in this section, we learned about greetings and responses and choosing the correct greeting or response to what somebody might say. Lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course are available, along with audio files and links to Quizlet flashcards and study tools. Original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge's website, or edited versions can be found at simplyjacintha.com, links in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuairt úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their permission to use the learning resources that are available on their website. Tá súlagam gur bhaint sibh tanavas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you got some value out of it.